You are a lucky guy. Because today you got a chance to go to every planet in our solar system. So pack your space gear and hit the space. Our first stop is the first planet of the solar system, Mercury. It is the closest planet to the Sun, and due to its proximity, it is not easily seen except during twilight. For every 2 orbits of the Sun, Mercury completes 3 rotations about its axis, and up until 1965, it was thought that the same side of Mercury constantly faced the Sun. 13 times a century Mercury can be observed from the Earth passing across the face of the Sun in an event called a transit. The recent occur was on the 9th of May 2016. It does not have any moons or rings. Mercury is the smallest planet. Your weight on Mercury would be 38% of your weight on Earth. Atlas somewhere I wouldn't feel heavy. Fun fact, a day on Mercury is almost 176 Earth days long. Up to the next planet, Venus. And believe me, you don't want to go there. Because the surface temperature on Venus can reach 471 degrees centigrade, and it is enough to boil you to death. Venus does not have any moons or rings. Venus is nearly as big as the Earth with a diameter of 12,104 kilometers. The next planet is our home planet, and only planet that contains life, Earth. It is the largest of the terrestrial planets. The Earth is the only planet in our solar system not to be named after a Greek or Roman deity. The Earth has formed approximately 4.54 billion years ago and is the only known planet to support life. The next planet is the red planet itself, Mars. Is the second smallest planet in the solar system. Named after the Roman god of war, Mars is also often described as the red planet due to its reddish appearance. Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide. Mars have the largest dust storms in the solar system. The next planet in our solar system is the gas giant Jupiter. It is the largest planet in the solar system and is the 5th planet out from the Sun. It is 2.5 times more massive than all the other planets in the solar system combined. It is made primarily of gases and is therefore known as a gas giant. And also it is one of the 5 planets that are visible from Earth. Its atmosphere is composed of hydrogen, 90%, and helium, 10%, in roughly the same proportions found in the Sun. It also contains much smaller amounts of other gases, such as ammonia, methane, and water. And it has 79 moons. To the next planet, another gas giant, Saturn. It is best known for its fabulous ring system. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest in our solar system. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant and is composed of similar gases including hydrogen, helium, and methane. Saturn is the most distant planet that can be seen with the naked eye. It orbits the Sun once every 29.4 Earth years. And it has 150 moons. Moving on to the 7th planet from the Sun, Uranus. It's not visible to the naked eye and became the first planet discovered with the use of a telescope. Uranus is tipped over on its side with an axial tilt of 98 degrees. It is often described as rolling around the Sun on its side. Uranus was officially discovered by Sir William Herschel in 1781. It is often referred to as an ice giant planet. And it has 27 moons. At the end of our journey with Neptune, the 8th planet from the Sun, making it the most distant in the solar system. This gas giant may have formed much closer to the Sun in the early solar system history before migrating out to its current position. It is the smallest gas giant. Neptune has 6 faint rings. And it has 14 moons. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the Fact Boss for more amazing videos.